Today we're going to talk about a product called Luxgrove Leather Salve. You've probably seen it advertised as a miracle solution for worn-out furniture, leather couches, boots, and even wooden surfaces. The ads claim this little $39 jar can make your old furniture look brand new in just minutes. It's marketed as an all-in-one fix that saves you from spending hundreds on professional repairs or thousands on replacements. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. So what exactly is Luxgrove? According to the website, it's a conditioning salve made with beeswax, hemp oil, jojoba oil, and shea butter. It's positioned as a natural and safe product that doesn't just polish your furniture but actually repairs scratches, cracks, and fading. That's a bold claim, and here's where the red flags start showing up. One of the biggest issues is the promise that scratches disappear and cracked leather turns soft in under 10 minutes. At best, a conditioner or wax can make scratches less visible and moisturize the leather so it looks darker and shinier. But no cream can actually heal cracks or restore lost material. That takes professional repair work. Another unrealistic promise is the idea that the results are immediate and permanent, making furniture look brand new for years. Oils and waxes can give temporary shine, but on high-use furniture, that effect fades quickly. Suggesting it transforms items permanently is very misleading. Then there's the money-saving comparison. The marketing constantly compares this $39 jar to $1,200 couches and $475 professional repairs, implying it gives you the same outcome for a fraction of the cost. Professional restoration involves re-dyeing, patching, sanding, or replacing sections. That's something no jar of wax can replace. If you look closely at their images, many of the before and after pictures appear copied from stock sources or other websites. That raises serious doubts. If the product really works, why not show genuine results? And if you dig into their terms of service, the red flags multiply. They state that products are sold as is without warranties of any kind, meaning they don't guarantee the product will even work. They also include broad disclaimers of liability, saying they won't be responsible for damages if the salve harms your furniture. On top of that, they even say they're not responsible if the information on their site isn't accurate. Those terms make it clear that they're protecting themselves, not the customer. Now here's something important. This product is also available on Amazon, and the reviews there are mostly negative. Many buyers say it barely made any difference to their furniture. Scratches and fading often remained visible, and some said it left streaks. Others reported very long shipping delays, often from China, with products arriving that didn't match the ads. Missing instructions were another common complaint, with customers unsure how to apply or clean it properly. Some even mentioned cheap brushes that shed bristles during use. These real customer experiences suggest that the hype doesn't match reality. So what does all this mean? Luxgrove Leather Salve appears to be a drop-shipped product, meaning the sellers don't make it themselves, they just market it heavily online. I'm not saying it's a complete scam, but the unrealistic claims, the recycled photos, the concerning terms of service, and the many negative reviews raise serious doubts. At the end of the day, the decision is yours. If you want to try it, you can, but go in with realistic expectations. Just remember that when something sounds too good to be true, especially online, it usually